Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is a tofu scramble recipe. So this is a really delicious recipe. It's very simple, and I'm going to show you how to make it right here. Now, I also steamed some sweet potatoes and had some hot sauce on that with the recipe. So you got a couple of sweet potatoes and some hot sauce, and just steam up the sweet potatoes. But for the tofu scramble recipe, you're just going to need one package of extra firm tofu. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The first thing you want to do is drain the tofu and then wrap it up in some paper towels and then put it on a plate and then put another plate over it because you want to dry out the tofu a little bit. You don't want it to be so wet when you go to cook it. And you want to let that sit there for about 15 minutes. Next, you heat up the tablespoon of olive oil on medium heat in a pan. Then you add in the tofu and you mash it up with a fork and you stir that around for about 5 minutes. Then you add in the salt and the nutritional yeast and the spices and you stir that around for about another 5 minutes. And then there it is. So I have the steamed sweet potato, I have the tofu scramble. I also added an avocado there as well. Nice little addition. So try that out. Let me know what you think. Make sure to check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more. Leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts. And I hope everyone has a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.